8 electronic components you need to build the low energy consumption LED flasher. It will pull only 1 milliampere. Let's build it. I have built many types of LED flashers that work on 1.5 volt, but today circuit that I'm building, it's working from 1 volt to 1.5 volt and consume 1 milliampere, and there is only 8 components. This type have 10 components, so I'm getting better 8 components and 1 volt for blinking the LED. Okay, here it is the circuit for LED flasher that will pull around 1 milliampere or under, and you need 2 transistor NPN and PNP. I'm using 2N3904 and 3906. You need 3 resistor, 4.7 mega ohms, 1.5 kilo ohms, 100 ohms. You need 1 LED, I'm using red LED, 1 capacitor that can be from 220 up to 560 nanofarads, that is for the blinking speed, you can change that. And the second capacitor, electrolytic capacitor, is from 33 microfarads up to 100 microfarads, and that is the brightest level. And that's it, 8 electronic components to make this good circuit for LED flasher. Let's start building. I finished with soldering all the electronic components, 8 of them, 2 transistors, 3 resistors, 2 capacitors and 1 LED to make the circuit of LED flasher low energy. And here it is my experiment testing circuit. It's a mess, but it's working. So far it's working for 1 month. Okay, now let's power up this guy. Okay, negative go on emitter of NPN and positive goes on emitter of PNP. Yep, you can see that it's flashing. Low energy LED flasher works from 1 volt to 1.5 volt. Okay, I power up with 1.4 volts and you can't see any amperes because 0.6. So I'm gonna lower to 1 volt so I can prove you that it's working on 1 volt. Yes, can you see that? Yes, working. Now I'm gonna set again on 1.3, let's say, and measure with my multimeter the milliamperes. I'm gonna set my multimeter on milliamperes. Goes here, the positive, and I'm gonna touch on the input right here, blinking. And can you see 0.5 milliamperes, 2 milliamperes. It's around 1 to 2 milliamperes. Sorry, that is great. 1.4 milliamperes. Alright. I'm planning to make 3 of them with 3 different color LEDs and stack them one above another and make a skeleton sculpture, electronics art. Okay, I hope you liked today electronics project. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!